So this is a nuc that's been in 1 week today. It was a 5-frame nuc, which was 3 frames of bees and two foundation frames. And what I want to show you is that they are all the way to the end here. I mean, they're working like 8 frames, we'll say 7, 8 frames. And hopefully I've got a little bit of pollen and stuff on them because they needed some nutrition to try to get them through, right? Get them nice and strong. Little appy tablet, a little bit of strong microbials fondant they're eating on over there. A little bit of Man Lake Ultra B Plus patty that they're going to work on, and but they are working all the way out. Okay, this is a nuc that was put in with the 5 frames they came in and 3 foundations with a hive top feeder, and they have not moved off of their original frames in a week that they've been in here. So that shows you the difference between foundation and drawn comb in a colony. This is ground zero hive on the 7th of April. I've got work going on pretty much the whole top box here. Talk about dramatic recovery. We'll see how it goes.